दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल LIS एकेडमी में। फ्रेंड्स, इंग्लिश की वीडियो का मैंने आपसे वादा किया था। बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों की डिमांड थी, सर इंग्लिश का मटेरियल भी दीजिए। तो अभी सोच रहा हूँ कि 15-20 दिन, एक महीना लगातार आप लोगों को इंग्लिश का मटेरियल दिया जाए। टाइम मिलता है तो बीच में हिंदी का मटेरियल भी दूंगा। और साथियों, इंग्लिश के अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करते रहें ताकि सभी लोगों का भला हो सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, ऑथर ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू रेफरेंस वर्क वॉल्यूम सेकेंड इज। तो दोस्तों, यह है WA कैटेज से संबंधित है। राउटिंग ऑफ पीरियोडिकल इज, यह है CS। इस डॉग वाज इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन द ईयर। इस डॉग कब वो स्थापित हुआ था? तो वह हुआ था 1952 में। इंडेक्स इंडिया इज ए ट्रांसलेशन सर्विस। New Encyclopedia Britannica Propoedia consists of one volume. InflipNet is primarily cooperative network of university libraries. International Serial Data System ISDS Center is located at Paris. The compiler of Bibliotheca Universalis is Konrad Gessner. SDI was first formulated by HP Luhan. The publisher of the Science Citation Index is ISI. Dennis Grogan grouped research report under primary sources. The author of basic reference source is L source. Finding an address of institution is short range reference service. Publisher of the Reader's Guide to Periodical Literature Wilson. The appropriate source to trace the history of word is dictionary. The compact edition of the Oxford English Dictionary in 2 volumes appeared in the year 1971. India A Reference Annual is being published by Publication Division, Government of India. The appropriate source of the information about the organization is directory. The publisher of the books in print is Bowker. Konrad Gessner is regarded as a father of the bibliography. Accession list of the library is a type of CAS. The concept of SDI was introduced by the SP Luhan. Guide to Indian Periodical Literature covers the social science and humanities. The National Input Center of Agris in India is ERIC. The author of public knowledge is J.M. Jimman. Who defined the reference service is the establishing of concept of between reader and book personal service. ऐसा ये है SR रंगनाथन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द book meant to be consulted a referred for the defined piece of information is known as reference book. The reference service finished in a very short time, in a moment possible, is known as ready reference service. User's profile is one of the important component of SDI. A condensation that present the objective scope finding of a document is known as abstract. A list arranged systematically providing enough details about the item is known as catalog. The points to be kept in the mind for evaluation of reference book is termed as checklist. The dictionary is primarily concerted. A dictionary is primarily concerned with a word. Webster's third new international dictionary of English language was published by Merriam. An encyclopedia is the best suited for finding answer to the background questions. An annual volume of the current information in the descriptive or statistical form. Some item limited to a specific field is known as yearbook. The appropriate source finding out information about the number of radio station in India. Almanac. A list person organization systematically arranged given the address etc. is known as directory. Word of Learning 1947 is being published by the Europa publication. Statistical Abstract India 1947 is being published by the Central Statistical Organization. The parent body of the NASADOG is ICSSR. The new Encyclopedia Britannica Micropedia consists of 10 volumes. An annual publication containing calendar of the events frequently accompanied by the astronomical data is known as almanac. The NISAT program established by the Government of India is under the Department of Science Technology. OSLC was established in the year 1967. The UNICIST newsletter is being published in 4 languages. The publisher of Indian Press Index is Delhi Library Association. The author of famous First Facts is J.N. Kane. The compiler of librarian's glossary is L.M. Harrod. The informal channel of the communication amongst scientists is known as invisible college. These of the month. Thesis is the thesis of the month is a regular feature found in university news. The British Humanities Index is published by the LA. The scope of the world learning is international. The appropriate source find out the information about the climate of Rajasthan. Gazetteer. The spherical representation of the earth is known as globe. An annual volumes of current information in descriptive statistical form, sometimes limited specific fields, is known as yearbook. Propoedia Part 3 of the Encyclopedia Britannica consists outline of knowledge. The General Information Program PGI was launched by UNESCO. The unabbreviated Oxford English Dictionary OED is in 12 volumes. The first abstracting journal is Philosophical Transactions. The reference tool most appropriate find information in particular place is सॉरी 60 का जो आंसर है फ्रेंड्स 60 आंसर इज जनरल डीज स्क्वेंस द फर्स्ट एब्स्ट्रैक्टिंग जनरल डैश स्क्वेंस सी ऑप्शन इज राइट 61 right answer is gazetteer. The reference tool most appropriate to find the information of a particular place in gazetteer. The cumulative book index includes all books published in English language. The publisher of the Annals of Library Science and Documentation is INSDOC. The frequency of the bibliographical abstract is weekly. Bibliography of doctoral dissertation published by the AIU. Index India is a list of books and periodical articles. For information on state-wise list, newspapers and their circulation is the best reference tool is the प्रेस इंडिया। तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे आज के कुछ क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट वीडियो जब तक के लिए लेकर के आएंगे आप लोगों को बाय बाय, नमस्कार। चैनल सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, लाइक शेयर करना मत भूलिए। थैंक यू।